please click on like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications. Hi, I'm back. Again roti sabji for lunch. I told mom that I wanted to order pizza, but she didn't agree. So I'm going to make my own pizza now. I'm going to make a thin crust pizza with all my favorite toppings. But first, the base. First, I'll need 2 cups of refined flour or maida, 3/4 cup of lukewarm water, 1 teaspoon yeast, and 1 teaspoon salt. I'm going to mix all these up to form a soft dough. I need a bowl. Let me start. I'm going to mix it and then add water carefully. I don't want it too sticky. I'm going to add half of it first and then add little by little. It is starting to come together. Now I'll knead it by hand. It has come together. I'm going to leave it undisturbed in a warm place for 2 hours. In 2 hours, it should double in size. My dough is done. See, it has so many bubbles in it. I have divided my dough into 3 equal parts. I am going to start rolling it out into a base. It's done. Time to shift it to my baking tray. I'm going to put my toppings right away. Because it is a thin crust pizza, it does not need a pre-bake. These are all the toppings I'm going to put on my pizza. First, I'll add sauce. Now, I'm going to add lots and lots of mozzarella and parmesan. Now in goes my parmesan. That's a nice thick layer of cheese. Now for the toppings. I'm going to first put some onions. Then some capsicum. Now some sliced baby corn. Some sliced olives, some sliced jalapenos, and some sliced mushrooms. Time to pop it in the oven. I just can't wait. My pizza is done. Now all it needs is some oregano and some salt. My pizza is ready to eat. Please like and subscribe my channel Tiffin Tales.